are celebrating maybe the best contract that the UC-AFT has ever won.
The result was so much better than we anticipated.
As your national leader, I can't tell you just how proud I am of you, of the fight.
At 4 a.m. the morning our pickets were supposed to begin, we won what feels like a just spectacular agreement.
Our contract is going to be life-changing for lecturers here at UCLA and at all the other UC campuses.
What you have done is taken a giant step to eliminate precarity. That is what you have done.
What we've accomplished over the last couple of years is to build a mean, lean, fighting union that can get things done.
What has been remarkable is the way that building power builds power. When we announced the results of the strike authorization vote, membership forms started rolling in. When you ask members what they want and need, when you listen to that, when that is the foundation of your organizing, you can build something.
Some of our lecturers get year-long contracts, some have 9-month contracts, some only have quarter-to-quarter contracts. And yeah, we teach 30 to 40% of all the credit hours in the UC system.
I think that the pay disparity is particularly egregious for people like Branstetter who've been working here for over 7 years.
Tenured faculty get treated very well, have been for generations, and it's now our turn.
By having a contract clause about job security that creates a presumption, if you've done a good job, you're going to have a job the next year.
I can now tell my students, if you are applying to grad school a year or two after I had you in my class, I will be here. I will be able to write you a letter of recommendation like you deserve.
I've already had a lecturer who said, well, by the end of this year, I'm going to have to go to UC Irvine because I've essentially gotten a pink slip. And I don't want to see her go.
That is huge. That's transcendent. That's transformational for lecturers and for lecturers here. And it took 20 years to get that.
The solidarity with other CFT locals and other AFT locals has been phenomenal.
They knew that they were asking for a lot. They knew that they were going to have to get tough. It's not the union working for them. They are the union, and we're all working together to get this together.
Randi Weingarten letting our voice to our campaign, we were all like, whoa, we realized we could do this.
This is going to be transformational not only for the UC university system, but for universities and colleges throughout the country.
The collective power that we have is enormous compared to what we would have as individuals.